or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Susie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also comment down below what videos you want me to film next. And I just got back from Target with my sister and my mom, and my sister had to get a couple things for school, and I got a new phone case. I've been eyeballing this phone case for a long time, and it was on clearance today at Target, so I was like, I gotta get it. So for the phone case of today that I have currently on is from SHEIN, and it's just a butterfly phone case. It's clear with butterflies on it, and then the side is like white. But I am getting a new phone case from SHEIN and a shirt, so if you want me to film like an unboxing of that, then comment down below on this video. So yeah, so this is what she looks like, and she's super cute. And when some of the Kate Spade phone cases at Target were on sale and some weren't, so this one was definitely on sale, and it was originally $50, but it was on clearance for $34.99. So this is what she looks like. And it's also MagSafe because I have a MagSafe charger, which is right here, and it's from Otterbox, and it's like 6 feet, but this is from Otterbox, and I got it from Target. Again, I can link the, if YouTube allows me, I can link this down below for you guys, and also this phone case as well. It might be on sale on the app, I'm not so sure. But again, this is what it looks like, and this is my phone case. SHEIN, and I can probably link this down below, or find like affiliate link for it. But if you want to see an unboxing of SHEIN that I got, I ordered it last night, so is my sister, and it's like it's been shipped. So if you want to see an unboxing of that, then comment down below. And so this is my phone. I do have the gold 13 Pro Max. It's really pretty. But the light case over there, and we're going to put on this new case, and she's so cute. So all you do is you pull down the little flap like so, like that, and here she is, very cute. I'm obsessed. I'm just taking out all the packaging. And I also do like to keep like these little foam thingies just in case, like I don't want the phone case to scratch or anything. I just like to keep these with the phone case, or like any phone cases I do have. So when you open it up, there's like the back of the phone, and then it says Kate Spade, New York, and the guaranteed there. But I like to keep those. This, again, this is what it looks like, and it's MagSafe, so it's really cute. It's cheetah print, and then the border is black. So I'm gonna put her on for you guys. Ooh, she looks super cute. Also, also if you want to see like an updated like summer 13 Pro Max, what's on my 13 Pro Max for summer, I have like new stuff on my phone because as you see, like my lock screen is like summer aesthetic, and then it's like summer aesthetic. So if you want to see what's an updated one, then comment down below. But again, this is what the case looks like, and the buttons are super like accessible. The bottom is very protected, and it covers the screen. I have a screen protector on, but this is what it looks like. Again, here's the back, and then I'm gonna take the phone with the MagSafe. I'll put it right there, and it's charging. So again, here's the phone, and I'm putting the MagSafe charger on it. So, and in the middle, and there you go. I obviously do like this phone case. I'm gonna keep it on. So I am definitely going to keep this phone case on for today. It's very good in the hands. It doesn't feel like slippery or anything because of the border. I'm just gonna take a Snapchat and send it to my cousin. but she wants to know when I'm filming. So, okay. And again, this is what it looks like. It's really cute, super cute. I'm obsessed. And for $34.99, like, Kate Spade, you're popping off. So that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if you want to want me to film next, or you guys want to see on my channel. Again, all my socials are linked in the description box down below. And if you like my nails, I got them from Olive and June at Target. They're purple. I'm obsessed. So again, like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. And I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye, guys.